Hello everybody. Today we are going over the popular video transcoder program MakeMKV here on the basics of. So the basis of MakeMKV is a one-click simple solution for formatting DVDs and making a MKV file. These are a package of all the files that were on your CD, such as audio, video, subtitles, you name it. And it converts this down to a package of the about original size of the CD. So if you ripped off a Blu-ray, you would likely end up with a file of 25, 28 or sometimes 60 gigabytes because it doesn't compress the files, so you get the full quality. To begin with, we can select the source. This is my Blu-ray reader. Push out, and I can put in my DVD. 1 second. Now, before I click here and make it read the disc, let's go up here and see what other tools are here or what's behind the scenes. So we have open file, open disk, eject disk. These are the basics. So we have tools, preferences, and this you can get to as well if you just click here. We have video. This is most likely what you would be interested. You can make a customized home folder. You can see my last DVD here for where I saved. We can make a custom one, choose where we want to save that. I just auto, that way it will ask me every time where do I want to save this. I much prefer that. I/O, we can decide how many times it's going to try reading the file before it gives up. If you have a damaged CD, it will keep trying to read it a number of times before it gives up. Language, you should prefer the language settings for this application. Okay, let's click. So what it will do now is it will scan the disk and see what content is on this disk, and we get to choose how much of this that content that we want to keep. So let's say that my DVD, The Hangover, it has some subtitles, and I can see, okay, I don't want to save the French subtitles, Norwegian or Swedish, so I might only want the English subtitles. Okay, I can uncheck these files, and these won't be compiled or reformatted into the MKV, so we can actually make the file size smaller by only checking off the most essential. Audio, of course, we want that, and I can do uncheck all or select all, and in here unselect all, so we can do it by level, so if it's by indentations. So usually what we are looking for when we don't want extra materials, if we just want the pure video and maybe a couple of subtitles, we would usually unselect all, check the largest file, that's usually the video. We can go in and say, okay, I want English only, fine, and double check that these are yes. Okay, so now I have only selected the video, which we see here, the video's audio, and the subtitles. Great. Now we can choose where we want to save it. I can open up. Let's just go to this. So I have the video folder on my C drive, and I can check save selected titles. Right. We also have the same option up here, along with the other options. If we are going to click open files, it will go a step back, and you can select another file on your computer. You will try to convert to MKV. Let's say you have the original DVD files, the video formats on your computer and you want to make them into one MKV, you can select them by clicking this, and it will do the same as if it was a disk. But for now, let's make MKV. And we will have to wait for a moment here while it transcodes the video files on the disk into a single MKV file. This, depending on the quality of the disk, let's say the resolution, can take a significant amount of time. Ordinary DVD with HD quality would take around 20 minutes on my computer. Your speed may differ depending on your CPU and your computer, but for me, an ordinary DVD takes about 20 minutes, sometimes quicker. And a Blu-ray actually takes 1.5 to 2 hours. Okay, it's done. So, as we can see, copy complete, one title saved. And it will go back here if you want to change make some changes, or save it again to another file with some minor adjustments. For now, we will open this one up, and we see it here. So this one is 3.2 gigabytes, and we can open it up just to see if it works. It does, fine. And we can see that the actual file size was 3.1, and we added sound and a pair of subtitles, so that adds up. Now, some of you might ask yourself, is this pirating? Is this illegal? So this highly depends on the country you live in, because the laws varies. Where I live, it is legal to back up or make a virtual copy of CDs and discs you own, but you're not allowed to make a backup and then sell off the original. Then you have to delete your backup. Okay, so that was MakeMKV. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a lot of fun to make. I hope this helped at least some of you out. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Until next time. Bye.